Do you want to improve your English speaking, but you don't have much time to study every day? Do you feel that you understand English, but you cannot speak confidently? If yes, this lesson is for you. Today we will talk about simple daily habits that will improve your English speaking naturally. You don't need expensive courses. You don't need perfect grammar. You only need small daily habits. Welcome to Learn English Daily Hub. Let's begin. Habit 1. Think in English daily. The first and most powerful habit is thinking in English. Most people first think in their own language and then translate into English. This creates fear. This creates delay. This reduces confidence. Instead of translating, start thinking directly in English. From morning to night, talk to yourself in English. For example, I am waking up now. I am brushing my teeth. I am taking a shower. I am going to work. I am feeling tired. I am feeling happy. This habit trains your brain to use English naturally. If you do this every day, your brain will stop translating. Habit 2. Speak aloud every day. Many learners only read and listen, but they do not speak. Reading is good. Listening is good. But speaking is necessary. You must speak aloud every day. You can speak in front of a mirror, while walking, in your room, while cooking, while driving. Say simple sentences. Today is a good day. I am learning English. I will improve my speaking. I am proud of myself. Even if you speak for only 5 to 10 minutes daily, your confidence will improve. Habit 3. Listen to simple English daily. Listening is very important for speaking. If you listen to difficult English, you will feel confused. So always listen to simple English, slow English, clear pronunciation. You can listen to English podcasts, YouTube lessons, daily conversations, English stories. Do not worry about understanding every word. Just listen again and again. Slowly, your brain will start understanding naturally. Habit 4. Learn 5 new words daily. You do not need to learn 50 words per day. It is useless. Instead, learn just 5 useful words daily. For example, word 1. Improve. Word 2. Confident. Word 3. Practice. Word 4. Communication. Word 5. Opportunity. Now make sentences. I want to improve my English. I am feeling confident today. I practice English every day. Communication is very important. This is a good opportunity for me. Using new words in sentences is the key. Habit 5. Use simple sentence patterns. You don't need advanced grammar to speak fluently. You only need a few daily sentence patterns. Let's learn some powerful ones. I am plus action. I am learning English. I am working. I am studying. I want to plus verb. I want to speak fluently. I want to improve my English. I want to change my life. I have to plus verb. I have to practice today. I have to go to work. I have to make a call. Can you plus verb? Can you help me? Can you repeat that? Can you explain again? If you use these patterns daily, your speaking will become automatic. Habit 6. Don't be afraid of mistakes. This is the biggest problem for many learners. They say, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me? What if my grammar is wrong? Let me tell you something clearly. Mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes, but they do not stop speaking. If you wait to become perfect, you will never start. So speak first. Correct later. Habit 7. Talk to yourself in English. This is a very powerful habit. Every night, before sleeping, talk to yourself in English. You can say, "Today I went to work. I talked to my friend. I learned new English words. I want to do better tomorrow." This habit improves fluency, confidence, sentence formation, and it costs nothing. Habit 8. Repeat after audio or videos. Repetition is the secret of fluency. Whenever you listen to a podcast, a lesson, a conversation, pause and repeat the sentences loudly. Repeat slowly first, then repeat normally. For example, I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning English. This builds muscle memory in your mouth and tongue. Habit 9. Speak slowly, not fast. Many learners try to speak fast. This increases mistakes and fear. Confidence does not come from fast speaking. Confidence comes from clear speaking. So speak slowly. Think first. Then speak calmly. Slow speaking is always better than fast wrong speaking. Habit 10. Be consistent every day. This is the most important habit of all. You don't need to study for 2 hours in one day and then stop for 1 week. Instead, practice 10 to 20 minutes every day. Daily small practice is better than big weekly practice. English is a skill, and every skill needs consistency. If you follow these simple daily habits, your English will surely improve. Not in one day, not in 1 week, but slowly, step by step. Confidence is not magic. Confidence is practice. See you in the next video. Keep improving every day.